Hi friends, in this video I will explain you that how you can add vignette effect in your images using Adobe Photoshop CC. So first of all, open the image in which you want to apply vignette effect. Like I have opened this image. Now first of all create first of all open the image, and then second, elliptical marquee tool. Using this tool, create an oval selection like this, and then if you want you can click on select, modify and feather. If you want to add feather, like I will use 75, it's up to you, like 150 I will use. So you can modify feather anytime, like 75 we will use. And now we will go to select and click on inverse. What is inverse? Now at this time this is selected, this oval is selected, this part in the image is selected. So if we click inverse, then Photoshop will select the opposite selection. So now this is selected. Now we can apply from layer, new adjustment layer, and apply curves. And curves applied this layer, you can see. Now from here, if you reduce, like if you move this one down, so you can see it will be dark, see. And if you move top, so it will be more light, see, like this. So as you want, like dark vignette effect or more light vignette effect, which one you want to apply, you can apply, see. So we will apply like this one, and then once you are satisfied with this, then you can see. So this is very easy, if you want to apply vignette effect to your images using Photoshop. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends, and also submit your comment for suggestions, your suggestions to improve my videos. Thank you very much.